Give me a minute. I just finished my live, and immediately the air raid sirens began. Last night, the Russian Federation sent 147 drones, attack drones of the Shahed 131, 136 class at the territory of Ukraine. Air defense rocked us out of bed at about 4 o'clock in the morning, shooting them down with an incredible 96% interception rate. My gratitude to the mobile air defense forces and the other members of the Ukrainian armed forces that keep us safe in our beds at night cannot be overstated. These warriors protect the men, the women, and the children of this city and this country every day with great risk to themselves. And for that, we are grateful. Thank you.